Hi everyone, today, we're diving into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class, a vehicle that redefines the luxury pickup segment by blending rugged capability with the sophistication and innovation that Mercedes-Benz is renowned for. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road adventures, the new X-Class promises to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Let's explore what makes this pickup a standout in its class. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 X-Class showcases a bold and assertive stance. The front fascia features a prominent grille adorned with the iconic Mercedes-Benz star, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide excellent visibility and a modern aesthetic. The sculpted hood and muscular fenders convey strength and durability, while the aerodynamic lines enhance fuel efficiency and performance. Blacked-out alloy wheels and chrome accents add a touch of sophistication, making the X-Class equally at home in urban environments and rugged terrains. Moving to the side profile, the X-Class maintains a balanced proportion, with a spacious cargo bed that offers practicality without compromising on style. The integrated roof rails provide additional utility for carrying extra gear, catering to both work and leisure needs. At the rear, the LED taillights and a subtle spoiler not only enhance the vehicle's aesthetics but also contribute to improved aerodynamics. The tailgate is designed for easy access, ensuring that loading and unloading cargo is a hassle-free experience. Under the hood, the 2026 X-Class is expected to offer a range of powerful and efficient engine options. One notable variant is the AMG X650, which could feature a plug-in hybrid powertrain combining a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with an electric motor. This setup is anticipated to deliver a combined output of over 800 horsepower and a monumental torque of over 1,000 Nm, providing exhilarating acceleration and robust towing capabilities. The inclusion of a high-capacity lithium-ion battery may offer an electric-only range of approximately 50 kilometers, making it suitable for short commutes with zero emissions. The advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, coupled with a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensures optimal power distribution, offering exceptional stability and control across various terrains. Additionally, the adjustable suspension system is designed to provide a smooth ride, whether you're on a highway or exploring off-road trails. Multiple drive modes allow drivers to tailor the vehicle's performance to their specific needs, enhancing both comfort and handling. Stepping inside, the X-Class offers an interior that rivals luxury sedans. Premium leather seating, ambient lighting, and a digital instrument cluster create an environment of comfort and sophistication. The high-tech infotainment system is designed for ultimate convenience, featuring a large touchscreen with intuitive controls, seamless smartphone integration, and advanced navigation capabilities. The cabin is spacious, providing ample legroom and headroom for all passengers, ensuring a comfortable journey regardless of the distance. Mercedes-Benz has also equipped the X-Class with a suite of safety and driver assistance features. Advanced systems such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance are designed to provide peace of mind on every journey. The inclusion of a 360-degree camera system aids in parking and maneuvering in tight spaces, while the robust build quality ensures occupant protection in various driving scenarios. In terms of cargo and towing capabilities, the X-Class is engineered to handle demanding tasks. The durable cargo bed is equipped with multiple tie-down points, making it easy to secure loads of various sizes. The towing capacity is expected to be competitive, allowing owners to haul trailers, boats, or other equipment with confidence. Whether you're transporting work materials or embarking on a weekend adventure, the X-Class is designed to meet your needs. The 2026 X-Class also embraces sustainability, with the anticipated hybrid powertrain offering improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. This aligns with Mercedes-Benz's commitment to environmental responsibility, providing drivers with a vehicle that delivers performance without compromising on eco-friendliness. The integration of hybrid technology ensures that the X-Class remains relevant in a market that is increasingly prioritizing sustainability. Customization options are plentiful, allowing buyers to tailor the X-Class to their preferences. From selecting exterior colors and wheel designs to choosing interior materials and technology packages, Mercedes-Benz ensures that each X-Class can reflect the owner's personal style. This level of personalization enhances the ownership experience, making the vehicle truly unique to each driver. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class represents a harmonious blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. Its striking design, powerful engine options, and advanced features position it as a formidable contender in the luxury pickup segment. Whether you're seeking a vehicle for daily commuting, business, or recreation, the X-Class offers versatility and refinement that cater to a wide range of needs. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class. If you found this overview informative, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and automotive insights. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, drive safe and enjoy the journey.